Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. So as you guys can tell by the title, today is a day in my life vlog. It is going to be a work vlog, so you guys are going to be coming with me. We're first going to a meeting with someone that I really want to bring on to one of my future projects, and then after that we are going to be having a media luncheon. We're going to a media lunch with Media 24, and I will get into all of that a little bit later. It is currently 9:30, so I have to head out because my meeting is at 10. But I'm quickly going to show you guys my outfit of the day, and then we're gonna go. So this is what I'm wearing. I am wearing this suit from Zara. You guys might recognize this blazer dress. So it's really nice because it's long enough. You can wear it as a dress, but you can also wear it over the matching pants as a set. My what's the name, bodysuit is from Alex NYC. My shoes are Jimmy Choo, and my bag is my Speedy. So that is going to be my outfit of the day. And yeah, let's go, guys. Hey guys, so I just finished my meeting with Khadija.
Hi, I'm Khadija. I spent time with this amazing woman. I am a life and business coach, and I own a human capital development company called Imac Consulting, and I am passionate about women empowerment and people development. And that's where we connect.
Yes. So you guys, I told you guys about what we're planning. So you're going to be seeing a lot of Khadija. Okay, she's absolutely phenomenal, and we had the best time. So thank you so much for your time.
Wow.
I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, guys, it is so hot today. Okay, so we are on our way to the Media 24 luncheon. So Media 24 is basically the company that owns True Love. They own Sorry, like those kinds of magazines. This is what I wanted to actually tell you guys, because now it's set in stone, so I can talk about it. So I am actually now a managing partner, director in a PR and marketing company called Pulse Communications. My business partners are Kirst and Sam, and they're based down in Cape Town, and I am the Joburg leg. It's been a while. So we have been working together for the past like 6 months, but it's only been made official in like the past few months. So we've been working well together. You guys are not going to see my face on the website just yet because we haven't had an opportunity to do a photo shoot, the three of us. But once all of that goes live, then yes, you will be able to see all of that. So that is also part of the reason that I'm going to Cape Town next week. I don't know if I mentioned it. There's a lot to talk about. We're really excited. There's a lot of exciting stuff that we're working on. So yeah, that is pretty much the vibe, guys. Chilling with Khadija was so much fun today. She is absolutely incredible. She is so mindful, so intelligent, and so qualified as well. And I cannot wait for you girls to hear her speak. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of her, and she is phenomenal. Anyways, okay, I will see you guys when we get there. Hello guys. Hey guys, good morning. So it is currently like 9:30. I just finished at the doctor. I had a doctor's appointment. It went really well. It's always good to see my doctor. So actually he's been our family doctor for years. Like the day that my mom was in labor with me, she had actually gone to see him that morning, and he was the one that was just like, my good sis, you're in labor, like go to the hospital. So he has literally known me literally my entire life. Always good to see him, and then we have chats, and then he tells me about his grandkids and all of that. He also gave me a vitamin B shot and his vitamin B shots, they hurt like I don't even know what. Like, they hurt so bad, but they're so good. And honestly, this is what kept me going. Like, it's what's kept me going for the past 10 years, I promise you, because I started taking them in like matric or like first year. Anyways, so yeah, they're really great, but they really do hurt. Like, I can feel it as I'm sitting down. It's crazy. Anyways, so right now I need to quickly go to the mall. I'm gonna have to make 2 trips to the mall today, I think, or I'll just go again tomorrow. But I need to go to the mall because I found an outfit for the Mr. Mrs. Next weekend, but it was too small. So I got a small, which is what I normally wear, but I find like YDE smalls are very small because I wear a small in pretty much everything, sometimes even an extra small in like sports clothing. Like these pants from Adidas that I'm wearing are an extra small, but like I don't know, for some reason like YDE sizes are like YDE smalls are very, very small. So I am going to go swap it, and hopefully they'll have that same like piece and in the same color and all of that other good stuff. So yeah, that's where we're going now. Right, new hair, who it is? Hey girls. Okay, so if I can get into focus. Hi everyone, welcome to Sunday. So I think I last left you guys yesterday when we had finished at the doctor. After that I went to the mall. Like I said, they did not have my outfit, but they did have it at the YDE in Cape Town at the V&A waterfront, and I'm going to be staying like close to the waterfront, so I've asked them to keep it aside for me, and they've agreed to keep it aside for me until Tuesday, and so I'm going to go fetch it when I arrive. So yeah, yesterday I got my hair done. Bree came over, we did my hair. Guys, this is the lightest I think I've ever gone, but I am loving it. I am loving it. I love this color, and I don't know, I think it works. I also got my nails done. I got literally just French tips. How old school of me. I used to do French tips all the time when I was in matric and in like first year, so I literally have not done them for almost 10 years, so very happy about that. But yes, so as I said, it's Sunday today. I am going to be having lunch with my big brother. I'm taking him out. It was his birthday, but he was traveling a lot, and then I didn't get to see him, and it was a whole thing. So now we're finally catching up like almost a month later. So him and I are going to go have lunch, and then I'm just gonna come home and I am going to get some work done. And yeah, it's a lot, but I'm so excited. I'm loving this hair. What? Yes, yay, the best big brother. Hey, wearing the shirt of the only soccer team that matters,
the only one
that matters. But they're breaking our heart. Let's not do oh, we're going to lunch. No, it's fine. T likes my hair.
Big fan.
Lebu didn't even notice.
Lebu wouldn't notice anything right now. He's a straight to my brother.
Good morning everyone. Okay, so it is Monday morning. It is currently just gone 9 o'clock. I have not even bathed. I've literally been sitting here, been doing some work, trying to get everything ready. I have one more email that I need to quickly respond to, and then yeah, I'm gonna bath, and then I have to go to the mall to go print because I don't have a printer in my house. I feel like I just need to get one in here. Anyways, so yeah, I'm quickly getting some work done. I'm having my coffee. So I'm sure some of you guys are like wondering, like, what do you actually do for a living? So I told you guys about the PR company which I run, which which is something that I was doing before with my own marketing company, but now I've merged and I do the PR and the events and the marketing and all of that with Sam and Kirst. I also manage and run a small logistics company, which is nice because it doesn't really require me to like micromanage it like a lot. So it's a lot more flexible, which I like. Flexible in that it does have me working late a lot, but it is manageable, right? I can manage it with everything else that I'm doing. And then now I am starting this new company that we went and we met Khadija for. She is going to be an integral part of it, and I am so excited to share it with you guys. I will obviously share everything once it's done. And what I'm doing may seem like a lot, right? And it really is a lot, but the thing is, number one is time management. That is the biggest thing, like managing my time. Also, I have a lot of help, guys. I'm so lucky. I have a lot of help. I have business partners that are so good at what they do. They're efficient. They're able to pick up for me sometimes when I can't, and we do that for each other, right? Also, I have staff that is competent, that know what they're doing, that have been in the game, that like I really love and appreciate. Like they are amazing. So if you want to build something big, something of value and all of that, you have to understand that it's like you're not on an island. Like you can't do it alone. So yes, I do have a lot of help and I am very grateful, but it's also a lot of time management, managing my time, cutting my time up, and you know, trying to fit everything in as best as I can. And I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say it's not easy. In actuality, this is the reason. I mentioned in one of my vlogs a while ago that I work on Saturday mornings. So a lot of the time on Saturday mornings, most Saturday mornings, I'll start working at about 8 up until like 12 or 1 o'clock. And the reason that I do that is because I've added an extra 5 hours to my work week, and that 5 hours makes a massive difference. Like it makes a huge difference. So those are the sacrifices that you have to make, you know, alongside having help and having people that support you. You also have to work more than the average person, which is what I do. That is pretty much what the vibe is. Okay, I also want to show you guys, okay, my desk is really messy, but I want to show you guys my new baby. I literally don't understand what's going on with this light, but this is my new baby. I got this iMac. It's been 3 weeks today since I've had it, and I am obsessed. I love it so much. I've been using it primarily to like edit my videos, and then also like to do like some work stuff. Like it's literally just, oh, it's been such a breeze. It's so fast. I love it. It connects directly to my laptop, directly to my AirPods, like everything. It just flows so seamlessly. So this is my desk setup. Right, I know it is such a mess right now. So as I said, iMac, I use it primarily for like editing videos and doing all that other kind of stuff, and then just general admin and stuff. And then on my laptop, all of my Windows is loaded onto this. So when I'm creating any kind of documents and all of that, then this is what I primarily use. Also, all of my meeting apps are loaded onto this, so that at least when I'm going, like for example, tomorrow I'm going to Cape Town, so I can just take this with me and I don't have to worry about like my meeting apps and all of that. This is basically what my desk looks like. It does not normally look like this. The reason that this is there is because that's what I was balancing this camera on, but this is pretty much it. I'm going to clear it up quickly. And then my new diary came in over the weekend. I got this from Planned Precisely. If you guys can see that, this is my daily planner. I mean, it's literally March right now, but I mean, it is what it is. So I love this planner. I'm going to be using it obviously a lot. I'm taking it with me, and I really just love like the setup of it. That's pretty much what it looks like. I love you guys all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.